All right, everybody, here we are. We're over at, where are we at? What's the name of this place? Safari Adventure? Holy mackerel. I'm here.
Safari and Adventure
Cebu,
Park.
yes, check this out. Well, here we are. It's Tuesday, June 6th. Oh, actually, you know what today is? Today's my 6-month
Tuesday.
anniversary. Right?
Really?
6th or the 9th?
Yeah.
6th? I don't
Six.
remember. Anyways, we're here at Cebu Safari and Adventure Park. And here on the wall is the all the tickets, price information. So it looks like they've got a couple of different options here. They got a regular ticket, they got a package A and a package B. So yeah, a bunch of different things here available depending on what you're looking for. There is a map also too online. I will copy that into the video as well and can show you that. But here, just take a look. Really beautiful. Look, kind of an overcast, rainy day. You know, a little bit of we've hit a little bit of rain on the way up, but you know, so we a little bit of an adventure getting here. We'll go into more detail on that later on, because I think in a recap I'll talk about transportation options and kind of how to get here and what to look for. So anyways, here we are today. We're gonna go in and check out the park.
Yes,
What's up, everybody? Check out the
We're
giraffes. Yes, we are back.
Yes.
Me and Stein,
Yes.
the great Sunny, which I will edit out your last name. I will edit out your last name.
Okay.
Check it out. We're back here with the giraffes. Got some really cool stuff going on here. We are at Cebu Safari and Adventure. It's actually been a rainy day. Look at down my feet. It's actually
Basa.
It's basa. It's super basa. But look how beautiful it is here. I mean, really gorgeous. So we're here at the giraffe feeding next door. We saw, what else did we see? We saw a bird show.
Gibbons.
We saw,
The
we
duck, the
escaped the rain
monkey,
to check the bird show, right?
the monkey.
Right?
Yes.
Yes.
After the.
We saw a monkey.
Yeah, and then the.
Oh,
bird
orangutan.
show, the bird show.
Yeah, I just said the bird show.
Okay.
The orangutan.
Mhm.
Yeah, no, it's good. It's been a good day so far. It's been a little interesting. We've had some challenges today, like getting here, and I'll go into, I think, go into detail about that after just kind of a recap. But transportation here is a little bit tricky. But yeah, I'll go over all that in the kind of the wrap up. But here we are. I mean, it's just beautiful here. Great scenery. What do you think, Stein?
Yeah, it's nice.
You like it?
No more in it. It's nice.
more
the
in it?
weather.
No more ulan?
No more uwan.
Uwan?
Uwan.
No more rain?
Yeah. It's bugnaw.
But it's beautiful here too.
Yeah.
You know what I hear, Stein?
Mhm.
What do I hear?
Huh?
I hear Niagara Falls. What am I hearing here?
Look at.
Ooh.
Wapo.
This way. Yes. I say we follow the sign that says this way.
The small horse.
Oh, a small horse. That's what you were saying. I thought you were talking about me. What's up? All right, let's see what else we got down here, huh? Wow, it's really beautiful though. As usual, I have no idea where I'm going. I'm just walking. So African safari that way. Let's go. What do you think, girl?
Savannah. We're done already.
We're done already?
Yeah.
What are we done with?
The ride, the tramp, and the.
Oh yeah, we did a little
Mhm. And then the guy.
the dong.
Yes.
Wow. Check it out. It's just really green and lush. Over here?
Yeah. Monkey.
What is it?
Monkey.
Monkey?
Yeah. Yeah.
What kind of monkeys?
Oh, there.
Patas monkeys? Oh yeah, check them out.
Yeah.
There's some up there. I don't know if you can see them on camera. Probably better than I can see them. Cool.
How about here?
Yeah, really big property. If I haven't already, I will put up a map of the property, just kind of show all the kind of everything that's here. at this park. But serval. Oh wow, beautiful. Yeah. I don't think I've ever heard of this animal. What's it say about it? Servals are wild cats and an efficient hunter and have the biggest ears of all cat species. I'll be dang. Serval is a Portuguese word for wolf deer. Huh. Here's the fun facts. Servals are sometimes referred to as the Savannah stalker because of its wonderful hunting skills. Oh, you know, they jump up to 10 feet. Oh, wow, yeah. I have seen these guys. Look at that. All right, cool. Yeah, so you look at the back legs and how that's really set up as a incredible spring. I have seen some videos on these guys. They can jump incredibly high. Well, hope no birds fly over here. Oh, they'll be a snack. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. All right, where should we go, Stein? Where should we go?
Here.
Huh?
Here.
All right. A really cool looking bridge here. Wow. Wow, really neat bridge. Look at all, just how green it is here. I'm not, you know, coming from Colorado, last 20 years of my life, 20 plus years, I'm not used to this type of scenery. What's down there?
I don't know.
Let's go see. Do you think we'll get eaten by tigers?
Yeah, your coconut.
I think it would tell us don't enter if we can't enter, right? See the
Yeah.
crocodiles?
Mm-hmm.
The crocostimpies?
Oh, here. I think here. Above.
I see, beware of the crocodiles. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Entrance. Here we go. Check it out. We are in the wild jungle in the Philippines. Oh wait. Oh, sorry. We're coming up.
Yeah.
Holy mackerel. You running away? Stein runs away. Whoa, I can see though, he's right here. Wow. I hope that fence is strong enough. Come on, Stein.
Oh no.
It is a little scary, I'm not gonna lie. He's right there.
Oh no. I'm just here.
Are you Lemmy?
I'm just here.
Are you Lemmy kayo?
Yeah. See me?
Huh? Stein, this goes a long ways.
Oh.
It goes a long way. Come run around.
Oh no.
Bendai.
Yeah, I will see you here.
Saltwater crocodile. Wow. Those guys are massive. Holy mackerel. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, that was a little spooky coming up, coming up to the steps and seeing that big croc right there. Ooh, now he's kinda gone too. Yeah, hey, Stein, he's gone. Look at this big guy. Wow, he's just massive. He's huge.
Huh?
He's gone.
Are you sure?
Yeah, he's gone. I don't blame her. It was really kind of scary. He was, I mean, you're talking a massive crocodile just right on the other side. Come on, he's gone. Where he's at, I have no idea, which is to me even scarier, but come on. Come on, he's gone. Run, run, run. Which, it's scarier, I don't know where the hell he's at.
Oh.
I don't. And he's big, he's massive. There's a big one right here too, but he's waiting. Oh, there he is. Oh, he's hungry. He was coming over to see me. Look at this guy. He's stalking me. Dude, that is spooky as crap. That is so spooky. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little scared right now. This guy here, these guys are massive. How big is that? It's like gotta be like 25, 30 feet easily. And this guy just chasing me all around. Oh, I'm creeped out. Yeah, I'm definitely creeped out. All right. I look like a good snack, I'm sure. I look like I'm Lemmy Cayo.
We'll go back.
You're not liking it up here, are you? I admit, that one croc there is scaring the crap out of me. Because he's just sitting there, watching people come up the steps. And he's big enough that you wonder, could he get through there? Look at these guys. Look how cute they are. I don't know if you can see them on the camera. They're kind of running away from us. What's up, buddy? How you guys doing? Huh? I think they're called muskrats. I don't see a sign, but they look like little muskrats. How cute. How cute.
Oh, guapo, it's so many there.
Huh? Wow.
No, I will go there.
No, Stein, it's the end.
No.
Holy mackerel. All right, Viking, I'm sorry I said it again, but look at them all. Stein, let's go this way, right out. Right out.
Where?
Right over here. I know it is just right out, but we're safe up here.
Oh.
Right out. You can go right out. Come here. Come here. I walk with you. I walk with you. Come on. I got you. Come on. Come on. Right out. Let's go out. I know it's scary. Yep. Right out to the left. To the left. Yep. We're good. Now you're good. You're out of it. Honestly, I can't blame her. There's a lot of them. Wow. And they're big. They're big. Oh, more little muskrats. Oh, and some baby ones too. I'll see if I can zoom in. Oh, a little tiny guy. And mom picked them up. Oh, how cute. There's some guys right here, yeah. Oh, how cute. All right. Wow, really neat. I'm really impressed. Really impressed. Yes, they're stupid. Yes, it's okay. It's okay. Yes, it's okay. Yes. Yes, you're fine. Yes, you're fine, sweetie. Yes, you're fine. Yes. Oh my gosh, you guys are so cute. You guys are so cute. Yes, you are. Did you want to eat my camera? Little turtles?
Mm-hmm. The
Aw.
small one.
Little blue one?
The small.
Hey, buddy. What you doing there? Huh? How are you? What you doing? Bet you like it because it's not so in it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh, those guys are so cute over there.
We'll go to lion, guapo.
Let me ask you a question.
Ah.
Do you want to walk back through the crocodile thing?
Oh no. I hate you. I hate you, Paul.
I'm not gonna lie, man. That guy, right when I came in, he scared the crap out of me. And then I couldn't see him. And sure enough, he came over to the other side where I was at. That was spooky. That was really spooky. Aw, some cute turtles. What's up, Shelly? How are you? I think those are cicadas, right? On this really, really beautiful walkway set deep, in the woods. There's a stream over here to the right, which you might be able to hear. I don't know. It might not sound like anything. You got birds going off here a little bit. Really just kind of a gorgeous setting right here. I love it. And on both sides here they have, well, probably just on my left, they have some wildlife, some animals. There's some pigs over here, I believe. They're up in their shelter up there. Some birds I thought I saw. Just a beautiful walkway in the rainforest there. It's gorgeous. Just so beautiful here. It's been raining a little bit, as you can tell. It's really wet, but just kind of cleared up right now. Now it's just turned out to be a beautiful day.